गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
रिकॉर्डिंग समझा नहीं एग्जैक्टली।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
पूरा बदल सकते हैं पुष्पुल कर। हाँ तो वही करना है, वही करना होता है। बाकी वॉल्यूम पे जहाँ पे ऐड करना है, रिमूव करना है, वही करना है। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, बट अगर बेस में यूज कर रहा था रिकमेंड नॉट टू यूज डायनामिक्स। उससे पूरा टोपोलॉजी खराब हो जाएगा, तो वो रीटॉप को दोबारा करना पड़ेगा। तब भी रिमेश से टोपोलॉजी चला जाएगा पूरा। जैसे अभी अभी का बेस मॉडल का यू सी उसका मोस्ट ऑफ द हाथ पैर टॉर्सो का टोपोलॉजी ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट है, बट हेड का थोड़ा बहुत करेक्शन का रिक्वायरमेंट जो हम बहुत इजीली फिक्स कर सकते हैं। बट इफ वी रीमेश और डायनामेश, पूरा बॉडी हमें रीडो करना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग, पूरा जीरो से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। सब डिवीजन हाँ। हम्म हम्म यूट्यूब को तो ऐसे भी करना पड़ेगा, वैसे भी करना पड़ेगा, बट इसमें क्या होगा कि यूज ए बेस मॉडल, उसका हाथ पैर या फिर उसके एल्बो आर्म्स वो हम रीयूज कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम बेस मॉडल। बट हम अगर जीरो इमेज करेंगे तो वो लूप्स स्पाइरल बना देगा, वो करेक्ट नहीं रहेगा। सो यू हैव टू रीड द एंटायर बॉडी फ्रॉम जीरो, फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। इसमें क्या होगा कि फ्यू अपार्ट लाइक नेक में मे फेस और मे बी कुछ एल्बो में थोड़ा बहुत एक पार्ट में यू हैव टू फिक्स इट। तो उससे काम टाइम सेव होगा बहुत सारा, राइट। अदरवाइज बहुत टाइम, बहुत सारा रीटोपो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि 5 मिनट का काम है। रीटोपो तुम्हारा उसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि टोपोलॉजी करेक्ट होना चाहिए एनिमेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। एंड स्टार्ट। this window, okay, my reference image. The reference image. This window looks a little small, so let's increase the window. Document, double, Control N, and drag it again. So yes, so I can like fix later also. Let's see what else I have to do. I'll update it, and then we have belt. So for belt, I'll append one cylinder. Reduce the thickness, BMP, and press X. Symmetry. Standard, and we'll push it inside. Control W, same polygroup, and just remesh this thing because it's all triangulated. Remesh it, clean. Control D. Okay, I have a couple of designs here, so I need to create those designs. Oh, subdivision is there. Control Shift D, duplicate, delete higher. Control Shift and isolate only one part. Sorry. Oh, symmetry is also my bad. Isolate one part, geometry, delete hidden. Because I already have this shape, so it's better to use this shape only. And I want to cut this thing and to remove the views, trim rectangle, Control Shift, cut it, Subtool Master, mirror, mirror it, and this thing I feel like it's really thin, so I'll make it a little thicker. Where is my inflate brush? Inflate. Like instead of manually trying to increase it, it's always better to use inflate. Symmetry is on. Same with this one also. Standard. Elephant, all these elephants, and hide it. Okay. Okay, now here I can see there is a design. So the easiest way to create this, I can mask it like this and extract it, or only this one part, extract, deselect, create this design, B, sorry, wrong, BPI, pinch brush. So I want to pinch it, make it a little pointy, BMV, who's joining, BDS, dance standard, BPI, sides also pinch slightly, give it like pinched sharp edges. Trim dynamic, because I want to make this part a little sharp and hard. And in this, we have a lot of design. So Control T, Shift F. This inside part is not required. But just simply delete this, delete lower, delete hidden, because subdivision with subdivision cannot delete it. That's why remove subdivision. Control T, D. Corners, make it little, bend the edge slightly so that you can bake it nicely. RAM standard. Now in this, I can see there's a design. So Here you can see, I'll show the reference. You can see some design carving is there. So if I want, I can use trim dynamic this thing dam standard and sculpt it directly, but that will be difficult and wrong because whenever you see the layering, try to keep it separate. High poly, low poly, you can keep it just only single this triangular shape. It will bake easily. But for high poly, keep the layering separate always. It will give you more control and it will be easy. So here I can see the corners. Mhm. Oh no, बिल्कुल और एक ग्रुप चेंज कर सकते हैं बस. So इसमें I can see some issues. So I'll keep it slightly far. No. Basic shape is ready. Okay. So now just extract this thing. It's too thick. Accept it. And if you see, this is quite dense and edges are not that clean because it's a metal part. It should be clean. So I'll go to deformation, deform by feature. So all the edge wear. So this thing I have to fix manually. I can polish it slightly overall. This polish will become a little smooth. This I can push it to dam standard inside and clean it. So I'll just simply remesh, remesh the mode. Symmetry is on multiple times so that all these crooked edges become smooth and clean. Almost clean, not perfect. So I'll go to deformation again, polish by feature, little bit more cleaner, polish crisp edges. check any edges. So you can see this become like quite clean and neat. And this my system. One sec. The system is start lagging, so I'll just simply all low. So everything in lowest division. Remove everything. subdivide. And to enhance this, BDS. Oh, I could have done one more thing. This thing. It's crisp inverted. And now it's inverted. I can push it inside to get that depth. This white area should go inside to create this nice crisp depth. So I can go to deformation. And I have inflate min minus. It was fine only, not required. So now this basic design is ready. Few things I have to fix here. Hide everything so your system stays optimized and you can work on it very easily. BDS. Anything which is not visible to camera won't render. I can push it like this inside, or I can move brush and move it also. Both are fine. Okay, both have decent amount of poly groups, poly count. So I want to like repeat this thing multiple times, multiple one by one. So easiest way, I'll just combine these two. Merge, merge down. Both are merged. Then I'll decimate because I'm going to duplicate it. So I need to keep it optimized also. So I'll decimate this thing. So you can see it's decimated, nothing changed. Right, and it's like it's 25,000 polygons only tries, which is like quite good. So X symmetry, Control Shift D, move it. Symmetry is on. Why it's so lagging so much? So one by one, I place this. Now we have some neck jewelry. So let's save my file first. So neck, I have a jewelry. So it's I'll create that jewelry quickly. I'll append cube solo. Symmetry on multiple times subdivide. So I want to create a straight line. Click and drag. Okay, sorry. Click, shift, drag. Without release your left mouse button, release your shift. You can create this thing very easily. Trim dynamics. But edges, I want to make it really flat and clean. Like god jewelry, they're like really intricate, and you usually have a lot of gemstones and other stuff. Let's keep it here. One side is ready. Where is my subtool master? Mirror, mirrored. Select this. Delete subdivisions. Just cleaning it basically. Yeah, it's not cutting properly. This happens a lot of times. So instead of doing this, and push it inside. Anyway, that part is not visible. So it doesn't matter. I can make it a really intricate design, whatever I want. I can create that thing. Once I'm done with this, obviously merge down, all three merged, decimation master. Because this is already, you can see 500, so 5 lakh something. If I duplicate this will become 1 million. So I cannot use it. Decimate, shift F. Still, I feel I can reduce it 5%. Now it's fine. You can see 27,000 only. And this is good. So I'll keep this, go to brush, create brush, insert mesh, new. And only body, keep it unhide. And you cannot draw insert anything, any mesh with subdivision. So what I'll do is reduce subdivision, Control Shift D, duplicate and delete hide subdivision. So if it is duplicate model just to create the shape. Reduce this thing and go to stroke, curve, curve mode. To create this entire shape. Okay, divide, delete lower. This thing I can see it's creating a little issue. We'll undo it. So this line should be straight. Straight, just dragged it. Dragged it. Now we have the bend and everything snapping on the body correctly. And go close enough. The moment it snaps, if you zoom in, you can see it creates this red dot. Okay. It continues. If it doesn't snap properly, slightly move this to snap everything. I can see it's a nice clean shape. Click on the body. The necklace is ready. You can make it a really complex necklace. You can have multiple layers or multiple subtools and then increase it. उसमें सब डिविजन लेवल है, डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. So I don't want it, right? So अभी इस this lower subdivision I can delete. I can just simply separate it and delete it. Similar manner, I can like use this jewelry wherever I want. अरे अरे यार, this system, I don't know what happened to this. Why it's so slow. Split, masked point, separate. Body is separate now. The jewelry is ready. So first we'll create all this jewelry and everything. Then once this is done, then we'll start working on our armors. Like we have this axe. Then there's a lotus. This is supposed to be modak, the laddu. So we can create all this thing we generate. And there's a piece of cloth, some jacket it's wearing. So let's work on that jacket. We have a little bit time, so let's do it quickly. The jacket.
So, no.
Hello.
So I sent you my model, sir. Can you check it out?
Okay. Let me save my file first.
So there are parts still they are not visible.
Oh, it's solo mode. That's it. And this is supposed to be beard, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Hey,
Okay. You have a reference or
So
something?
yes, sir. For head, I have a reference, sir.
Yeah. Where is the reference? Because otherwise, without reference, what I can say, right?
Yes, sir. No, sir, I want to just make sure that it is a monkey.
It looks like monkey only. That's fine. Only thing is, what I feel is this size. This is way too narrow jaw. This should be slightly wider. This jaw is not like suppose slightly wider. This jaw should be visible, and this cheekbone usually slightly like you subdivision. It's already 4 million. Usually cheekbone is slightly bigger and broader. Similarly, then this thing comes slightly down. Oh, mask is removed. Because you can see the face looks round,
Yes, yes,
right?
sir.
So I don't know your reference. If you go by normal human structure, this slightly broad, this should go slightly in. Head shape.
Yes, I was supposed to ask you how to do the hair. So
Hair.
that's yes.
So now, like what kind of hair you have, like that depends on that. If this is alpha, then it works. You have to create it differently. If it's a solid geometry, you have to create
So,
differently.
so you have done that Raman thing, right?
Hanuman, that's
Rama, sir.
yes,
That hair, I want that
that's
kind of.
alpha. That's alpha.
Yes, yes.
That's alpha. For that, we what I did is it's a very quick shortcut industry secret. I won't tell you. It's a very easy thing. It's basically I created alpha for that, and I just simply applied that into fiber mesh and generated the fiber mesh. So it basically gives me alpha cards automatically. So I don't have this thing. So like send me a reference and I have a alpha not here right now. So I'll create a alpha and I have another class right now. So that's why like send your file before class or maybe middle of the class.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So I'll show you how to create this thing with alpha with fiber mesh and really quickly, like you in I guess 10 minutes, you can
Okay.
generate very good quality here.
Yes, yes, yes. Sure.
So that is something we can do. So send me a reference because I feel because this is also like I don't know, like it looks really odd here. So this should make because depending upon the concept art and what you're following, if it's a like Monkey King, so it should be a little humanoid. If it's humanoid, then this body structure will follow the human body structure. Neck should be slightly broader. So all those things are there.
Okay, sir. Yes, yes.
So based on the reference, like whatever you're following, if you're combining, even if you combine two reference, you need to have two set different reference.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, I have many reference. For ornaments, I have different reference.
Okay.
For head, I have different reference. For dress, I have different reference.
That's what, like, if you send me the reference, then I can guide you through the entire thing.
Yes, yes, sir. Sure, sure.
And it looks angry.
Yes, yes, sir.
And one more thing, it's monkey. So this eyes will be kind of straight, and this low upper eyelid and lower eyelid distance. This should go slightly inside. This should come slightly outside, or same level, because monkey have flat eyes. So either it's flat, so it goes inside, and this eye will come outside.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Like position should be something like this. And this volume is missing, so I need to see the reference, then only can like comment, because this eye, we have three circle. One is eye, then you have this outer eyelid, then you have this for temporal bone to your near eye back, this thing. So
Okay.
three sphere. So
Yes.
based on that, we have to check. So right now I can see only one sphere, and this doesn't follow the shape. This part should come outside. B usually this part, like before, do not add details, all the details for final. First block out everything. Detailing will add in layers, not in our actual model directly.
Okay, sir. Okay.
BMB and eye shape also. And this eyelid is missing, you can see.
Yes, yes,
Eyelid,
sir.
right?
Yes,
Eyelid is
yes.
missing, that I also have to create. So like based on the reference, depends. And if you want to create alpha, then this is useless. You have to delete this. Delete this, and we will create. I will show you with alpha how to generate it very quickly, like within like few couple of click only you can do it.
Okay, sir.
Only thing is get the shape right. That
Yes,
is
sir.
something you have to work on, polish it nicely. So otherwise the process is very easy, very simple. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And one more thing, waist is very narrow. I don't know which reference you're following, because if this is realistic, this is unrealistic. Because waist is very narrow, which is like looks like cartoon, right? So usually human, like especially in male, this is not this narrow. Yes, it should be slightly broader than this. It's
Okay,
creating
sir.
that hourglass shape, right? Which is like identify with the female body. So you have to broaden the waist slightly.
Yes, yes, sir.
Again, depend like which reference you're following. So based on that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow, like Monday. Huh?
Nice.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.